Hey guys, welcome back again. So in our last video, we just saw how to create image boxes, right? We learned about image boxes, this one. And now let's go to the next widget that is nothing but icon box. It is almost similar to the one which we just now saw regarding image box. Here, the image gets replaced by icons, right? And icons can be the built-in icon library, or you can use your own icons as well. See how to add this widget. You just need to drag it and drop it wherever you want it. Either you can add it here or wherever within this column. You can simply drag it and drop it. And if you see here, we have in the previous video we saw that we had the option to select image right here in image box. Now here we have option to select icon. Either we can see icons from the icon library that we get from Elementor inbuilt. We can use all these icons, or you just need to just click the icon and click on insert. Select the icon and just click on insert. Or suppose, let's say you have your own in-house team and you want to use your own custom icons, then you can create the icon in SVG file format and upload it here, right? And then again, same thing will be repeated here. You have the option to change the heading. And then you have options to update the content as well. Again, if you want to keep description, then you can keep it or else remove the description, right? So let's keep it here. And then again, if you go to content section, we have in content section we have icon box, and icon box we have icon, text, heading, text description, and then yeah, that's it. And then if you go to styles, we have icon style and content style. Again, in the icon styles, we can change colors of icon. We can update the colors of icon, right? And then spacing between icon and the content. And then we can change the size of icon and rotate it, right? Fine. So now also you have this hover animation. As soon as mouse hovers over this, if you want to change the color of the icon, then you can set it this way. You can make like this, right? And then do you want it to change, make some animation, right? Like this. This is a cool feature. You can simply play around with this and see what is possible with your creativity, what you can come up with the best idea. This is the possibility from this widget, right? And then again, we have the spacing and size, rotation. And then once icon styling is done, we can go to content styling, where we can change the alignment of the text, right? And then we have alignment top, middle, and bottom. And then we have spacing for title and description. We can update colors, text color, and also of course typography. If wherever text is there, we can update the typography. In a sense, typography in the sense font family, font size, and font weight, right? Depending upon the font weight, font family, this styling also will vary. And then we have style italic or something like that. These styling options are generally similar to based on which element you're using. If you have a text element, then the typography styling will be there. If you're using icons, then colors and hover animations. And images, similarly, for images we have filters and all those things, CSS filters like that. So you can play around with these options. And now you can also update the color of heading over here, right? And then under advanced tab, we have option to update margin, And also we have option to change the padding, and then motion effects, background color. Can set this background color. And in advanced we can add some padding, say 25. It starts looking slightly neater, right? And then you have all these under advanced tab. Almost these are similar to all the elements for like background color and borders, positioning, responsiveness, attributes, custom CSS, and advanced. In the sense advanced, and in that we have margins and padding, motion effects, the scrolling effects we have, and then we have mouse effects, scrolling effects, background colors, borders. Also you can add some box shadows, right? Just it gives a feel of 3D look kind of thing. And then positioning, you can change the position to fixed and relative. If you know, if you have some idea regarding CSS positioning, then you will understand this. And then responsiveness, you can decide whether you want to show it on desktop or tablet or mobile here, right? And custom CSS also you can add here, right? So this is it for this icon box widget. I hope you know you can now easily use this icon box widget wherever in the project. And in this project I have just organized it in a 3-column layout. You can use it wherever and however you like based on the design that you are working on, right? So let's move on to the next widget, that is star ratings.